Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. So I am Saranya and in this video I'm going to talk about the cross join. In the previous videos I have talked about inner join, left, right, outer and all of that, right? So in this video I'm going to talk about the cross join and how to write the code for cross join and what is it, what is the use case of cross join and all of that will be seeing in this video. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, so if you see here, I have two different tables. Okay, one is the sizes table where I have small, medium, large, XL, double XL. This is like the t-shirt sizes. Then we have the colors table where you have red color, blue color and green color. Let's say if someone wants to see what are all the combinations possible, like for small, red, blue, green. Again, for medium, red, blue, green. Let's say if they want to make some t-shirts, right? They want to see what are all the combinations possible. In that cases, we will use cross join. Okay, so coming to the code, if you're someone who's new to this channel, we have the code in the description box, right? In the description box, you have the Google Docs link. If you click on that, you'll be able to get the code. You can copy paste here and click on run. Then you'll create all of these tables. Okay, so all the tables are inside the author database. So I give use author and if I run, now you're inside the author database. Okay, right? So we have different tables. In this, I'm going to use the table called select star from sizes, select star from colors. Okay, so these are the two tables I want to use, right? So now in the sizes table, we have size ID, size name. Okay, in the colors table, we have color ID, color name. Okay, so now let's write the code. So select. So first you will write the select statement. Now whatever the columns that you want, you can write all of them. Let's say I just want the size name and the color name. Okay, so these are the two columns I want. So size underscore name, color underscore name. From which tables? You can write any table first, any table second. So first I'll write the sizes table and then do a join colors table. Okay, so usually how you will write, you will take all the column names from main table, then join the second table. On what condition? On some, let's say x dot id equal to y dot id, like that you will join, right? So for cross join, we will not have this part at all. Okay, so you will only write select column names from table 1, join table 2. Okay, if you just put on condition, this will become your inner join. If you remove this on condition, it will become a cross join. Okay, if somebody asks you what is the difference between inner join and cross join, then what you will tell? Inner join is basically like cross join, but you will have a condition where you will match the columns to get the values. Okay, but in the cross join, you are not matching any columns. You will just take the Cartesian product. Cartesian product is also the same thing. Okay, so if I run this, now you can see. Okay, so let me run once again. Okay, so now what you can see here, small, medium, large, XL, double XL. Colors red, blue, green. So now if you see in the result, small, all three colors, medium, all three colors, large, all three colors, XL, all the three colors, right? So now what you are seeing here, you're basically seeing all the permutations and combinations possible for that size name and the color name. Okay, if you want all columns, sometimes you can just keep the star also. Okay, select star from sizes, join colors. Okay, so you can see all the IDs, all the size names, everything is getting joined. Okay, so if somebody asks you, let's say I have a table where you have ID column. Okay, it has IDs 1, 2, 3. You have another ID column. Okay, this has 1, 2, 3. Then you perform cross join. Then what will happen? How many records you will get? It's always count the number of records in table 1. Okay, you have 3. Here, how many you have? 3. So cross join will give you 3 into 3 equal to 9. Anything, any table, even if you have the same records also, it doesn't matter. It will always give the Cartesian product, which means number of records in table 1 multiply with number of records in the table 2. Let's say in table 1 you have 4 records, table 2 you have 3 records, output will be 4 into 3, which is 12. Okay, so this is your cross join. I'll take one more example. We have one more table called as the meals table, and we have another table called as the drinks table. Okay, now if I run these two, so in the meals table you have omelette, sausage and pancake. In the drinks table you have the tea, coffee and Pepsi. Okay, so if I do a join between these two, select star from meals, then just write join drinks. That's all. Okay, so if I run, what will happen? You will see all the combinations. So in the meals table, how many records you have? 3 records. In the drinks table, how many records you have? 3 records. So 3 into 3 is 9. So you're getting all the 9 combinations. Okay, so this is the output of your cross join. Yeah. Okay, so I hope you understood, and in the next video we'll learn about the self join, and that will be the end of joins, and then we can solve lots of practice questions. Okay, so please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss any video from my side. Thanks for watching. Bye.